day, everyone.
Today, we present our advocacy campaign.
Nation of Builders.
A human capital revolution. In today's world, the strength of a nation is no longer measured by its natural resources. Instead, it is measured by the skills, creativity, and adaptability of its people. As technology continues to evolve, societies must adapt quickly to new challenges and opportunities.
In the Philippines, many individuals still face challenges such as unemployment and underemployment. Many talented Filipinos chose to work abroad because they believe better opportunities exist outside the country. However, the real issue is not the lack of talent. The issue is the lack of access to the right skills and opportunities needed in the modern world. Many people have the potential, but they are not yet fully prepared to compete in the global economy. This is where our advocacy begins. Nation of Builders encourage a shift in mindset, from waiting for opportunities to creating opportunities. Our campaign promotes the belief that every individual can become a builder of value by improving their skills, expanding their digital knowledge, and developing entrepreneurial abilities. When individuals grow, the nation grow as well.
The general objective of this advocacy is to development globally, competitive individual through continuous learning. To achieve this, we aim to promote awareness of future-ready skill, encourage lifelong learning, support entrepreneurship and freelancing, help others unemployment, and strengthen the global competitiveness of the Filipino workforce. Our campaign focuses on different groups who can help shape the future of your country. This includes student young, professional, job seeker, educator, and community leaders. Each of these groups play an important role in the building a stronger and more capable nation. By empowering them with knowledge and skill, we can create a credible effect that benefits entire communities.
To achieve our goals, we propose several strategies. First, we will conduct awareness campaign to inform people about future-ready skills. Second, we will organize skill development program to help individuals improve their abilities. Third, we will hold community workshops where people can learn practical knowledge. Lastly, we will build partnership with educational institutions and organizations to expand opportunities. To spread our message, we will use several communication channels. This includes social media platforms, school presentations, community events, and printed educational materials. Through these channels, we hope to reach more people and inspire them to become builders of their own future.
Through this campaign, we expect several positive outcomes. These include greater awareness of modern skills, increased participation in training programs, growth in freelancing and entrepreneurship, and reduced unemployment. Ultimately, we aim to help build a stronger and more competitive workforce in the Philippines. To measure the success of our campaign, we will use surveys, attendance tracking, online engagement, program growth analysis, and success stories from participants. These methods will help us evaluate the impact of our advocacy.
In conclusion, Nation of Builders remind us that nation progress begins with empowered individuals. By investing in people and developing their skills, we build a stronger future for our nation.
Together, let us remember.
The future is not something we wait for.
It is something we build.